Hello and welcome nursery class and very good morning to you nursery. So teacher Faiza is with you with the maths class nursery class. Today is Monday and the 25th of January nursery, and the happy news is this that we are coming to school on the 1st of February inshallah nursery class, and we will do lot of fun and lot of studies with the new ways nursery. So let's start our today's lecture nursery. So kindly open your maths book and your page number. Today page number is 3434. Got it nursery class? Kindly nursery class, I always repeat, kindly only do those pages that the teacher do in the class. Okay nursery class? And you mistakenly do the other pages. The reason is just because you did not watch the video carefully. Okay nursery class, and I don't like this thing nursery, please. Okay, and today I will share the caterpillar, the beautiful caterpillar which Ali, Umar, Ayan Mughal and Ghasik send me. Only 4 of you send me, and I am waiting from all of you nursery. Okay, you have the time, you can send me today also. So nursery class, again I will repeat, the page number is 3434 nursery class, and I think you are in master of this, that you have to write the date on the top of the page nursery class. Today date is 2525 dash 1 dash 2121, and right here C dot W. Nursery class, I again want to inform you that these days we are doing our leftover pages, that we left our pages, okay, while doing our book. So nursery class, it's very easy. You only have to trace the spelling of 7, 8, 9 and 10. So nursery class, can you please tell me that what is the spelling of 7? G-S-E-V-E-N, 7. Again nursery class, S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. And nursery class, please all of you send me the work, because when the school gets start, we have to check our class work. Okay nursery class, all of the work, please don't miss any work nursery. So what is this number? This is number 8. Trace carefully nursery class. I just devise the spelling nursery, and then you and me both trace and then meet. What is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T, 8. Again, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Again, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9. What is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Again, N-I-N-E, 9. And nursery class, the last spelling of the day, 1010. 1010. And what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N, 10. Again, T-E-N, 10. So nursery class, quickly trace carefully and then come and meet. We both meet, okay? Do it. So nursery class, see your teacher have traced beautifully. Okay nursery class, come to the next portion. They are saying circle the correct number. You know, we have done this in the last lecture also. We have to count the objects and then we circle the correct spelling of the number. Okay nursery class, look at me. Nursery class, as I always do, please don't disturb your mama also have to do other work. Okay nursery class, I explain each and everything very slowly just because you watch my video and you do the work by yourself. Okay, don't ask from your mama. You are big enough that you can watch and you can do the work with me. Okay, now put the finger on the flower and then count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many flowers are there nursery class? 9. So we have to find out the spelling of 9. So nursery class, is it the spelling of 9? S-I-X. No, no, no. So quickly put a cross. Okay. So let's see, is it the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E, 9. Again, N-I-N-E, 9. Excellent, my nursery. Wow. Now move to the next column, nursery class. These are oranges. What is this, nursery class? These are oranges. And we have to find out how many oranges are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many oranges are there, nursery class? 10. How many oranges are there, nursery class? 10. And what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N, 10. Again, T-E-N, 10. So find out the spelling of 10. Oh my God, it is on the first option. T-E-N, 10. So nursery class, quickly circle the spelling of 10. Wow. So we will cross the spelling of the other because it is obviously wrong, nursery class. Now move to the next box. Wow, these are glasses. My God, you have these sort of glasses in your home? I have it. Do tell me if you have. Now nursery class, we have to count the glasses and we circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many glasses are here? 8. And can you please repeat the spelling of 8? What is the spelling of 8, nursery class? E-I-G-H-T, 8. Again, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Let's find out, is it the spelling of 8? F-I-V-E. No, no, no. So why don't we cross? Why they always think that we are fool? Now let's find out, is it the spelling of 8, nursery? E-I-G-H-T, 8. Yuppie. It's the spelling of 8. Circle it, nursery class. Now nursery class, move to the next page, which is page number 3535. It's very simple and fun to do this page. What they are saying to us. Lastly, nursery class, please color in these pictures. Don't send me without coloring because I love colors. Okay, nursery class, please send me with colors. Now nursery class, count and write. We have to count these triangles and write the answer in these boxes. Okay, nursery class. So nursery class, you know the rule of counting. We put the finger and we count slowly. Don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's the cross way. Always put the finger and count slowly. Okay, nursery class. So nursery class, come to the first box and put the finger in the first triangle. You remember the shape, nursery class? I remember it. And I hope that you also remember the shape. So nursery class.
Auntie, can you repeat?
So nursery class, put the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many triangles are here, nursery class? 6. How many triangles are here? 6. So nursery class, write down number 6. Okay, nursery class. Now move to the next box and put the finger on the triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many triangles are here, nursery class? 7. How many triangles are here, nursery class? 7. So write down here 7. Okay, nursery class, move to the next triangle, nursery class. Put the finger again and count slowly. 1. Nursery, please put the finger and count with the teacher. Mama will not count for you. Yes, please be with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many triangles are here, nursery class? 8. So write down here. So nursery class, write down 8. Very good. My nursery is doing a very good work. So nursery class, now move to the next box, nursery class, and count the triangle. Again, I want to repeat that put the finger and count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many triangles are here, nursery class? 9. Excellent, my nursery. Now only one box is left. Let's find out how many triangles are here, nursery class. Put the finger and then count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. How many triangles are here, nursery class? 1, 0, 10. And write down as I write down neatly. Okay, nursery class, please. I don't like untidy work and bad writing. Okay, nursery, please understand. If you love your teacher, please do a neat work, and I will give you lots of star when you come to school. Okay, and also I will give you chocolate or candy. Okay, I will take it for you. So nursery class, count and write. Wow, today is, don't you think that we are get tired of counting? But I always love maths. I always love to count, and my teacher taught me the technique that put the finger and then count slowly. That is why I am very good in maths, nursery. You know that. So nursery, and I never ask from my mama because I always listen my teacher very carefully. You know that, nursery. And my teacher, that is why always give me lots of candies, balloon, and sometimes big pencil, nursery. You want all of these? Yes, for this you have to follow your teacher rules. So nursery class, come to the page and put the finger on the face. Wow, lots of faces are here. So let's count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many faces are here, nursery class? 8. And so we will write here 8. Nursery class, you remember this sign? This is the sign of equal to. What is this sign called? Equal to. And what is this sign called, nursery class? Plus. Plus, plus, plus. Teacher is repeating that it will fix in your mind. What is this sign called? Plus, plus, plus. Okay. So move to the next picture. Butterfly. Oh my God, I love butterflies, nursery. You love it? Now let's count the butterflies. Put the finger on the butterfly and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. How many butterflies are there, nursery class? 1, 0, 10. Very good. Now nursery class, move to the next picture. Trees. Oh my God. Which tree you like the most? Mango tree or orange tree? Or apple tree? The teacher loved to draw apple, but the teacher loved to eat mangoes, So I love the mango tree, nursery. Which tree you like? Which tree you like? You can color this on the tree. Okay, nursery class? Let's count the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many trees are here, nursery class? 8. So, please tell me once again, what is this sign called? Plus. Plus, plus, plus. And what is this sign called? Equal to. So, nursery class, come to the last picture. Oh my God, what is this, nursery class? Yes, I remember. You like to play racket and shuttle, nursery class? I have. I have bring for my son nursery class because he loved to play the racket and shuttle. And this is shuttle. You play shuttles with shuttles nursery? To outdoor games are very important for the health, nursery class. You know that? Rather than playing in mobile and tablets, okay? Avoid to play on these gadgets, nursery, okay? So, nursery class, count the shuttles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many shuttles are there, nursery class? 7. So, nursery class, it's the end of the work, nursery class. Kindly color in these picture. If you want to do the colors in this triangle, it will look very beautiful if you color green in this, yellow in this, blue in this, orange is this, and purple in this. It will display a very good texture, nursery class, okay? And all also color in these, okay, nursery class, and do send me. Now it's time to move to the copy work. Come to the copy work, nursery. Welcome to our copy work time, nursery class. We are going to start our copy work, nursery class. As you know that we have done the spellings 0 to 10. Now today we are moving forward because I think that mashallah you have learned well up to 10. In nursery class, in this week we will do the spelling of 11. Nursery class, don't think that it is too hard. I know you will not learn in today. It will take 1 to 2 days to learn, okay? The simple way to learn a bit bigger spelling is that daily revise. Revise only for 5 minutes, not for the 1 hour I am saying, okay? 5 minutes are enough to revise the spelling for on a daily basis. Up till Friday, because our other class will be on the Friday, will be on the Friday. So if you revise 5 minutes in a day, you will be perfect in that spelling, okay? Because I know I also have a kids. I know that some kids have a much picking power, and some kids pick, or some kids take time to pick the spellings, okay, nursery class? So don't get panic if you are taking time, okay? So nursery class, write down the word 11. So nursery class, what is the spelling of 11? Capital E L E E L E 11. VEN 11. ELE VEN 11. ELE VEN 11. Again, ELE VEN 11. ELE VEN 11. Okay, nursery class. Now what we are going to do, we are going to draw 11 apples, because nursery class, count and write is very important for you. Because if you miss this thing, this is the, I think, most important thing for a nursery in maths class, to count and write. Draw 11 apples, nursery class. 1 apples, 2 apples, then third apple, and don't press forward button. It's not wasting your time if you watch the full video, okay, nursery class? copy and pasting is not a good thing, nursery class. If you quickly watch that what is our classwork, what is our homework, no. Picking power, watching the teacher is making video, teacher is doing work for you, just because that you pick, don't move forward. Okay, nursery class, as you watch the cartoon movie, video games movie, you watch your teacher video 2 times a day. Okay, it will help to increase your knowledge. 1 2 3 4 5 5 apples, nursery. Draw 5 more, nursery class. I'm just drawing and showing you the apples is just because that your counting skills will get better and better. Okay, nursery class, because it's your basis. Because most of the kid I watch, they count 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, it's a very bad way, nursery class. Always put the finger and then count slowly. Always follow the right way, nursery class, rather than the short way. Okay, nursery class, let's count teacher. How many teacher have drawn the apple? 1, where is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 0 10. Now how much we have to draw, nursery class? One more, because then it makes 1 1 11. So nursery class, draw one more apple, nursery. Now it's 11 apple. You want to count with your teacher one more time? Let's come and count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 1 11. And today is the turn of the spelling of 11. So what is the spelling of 11, nursery class? ELEVEN, 11. ELEVEN, 11. ELEVEN, 11. ELEVEN, 11. So nursery class, as you know that you have to send me the recording of the spelling from 0 to 11. Okay, nursery class, and try to send me in one recording or in 2 recordings. Don't send me 10 recordings of the 10 spellings. Okay. Now nursery class, come to the copy work. On copy, sorry. So nursery class, your teacher have opened the copy. Write the date on the top of the page, nursery. Can you see? I am writing the date, nursery. So what is day today? Today date is, as I told you on the book work time, today date is 2/5/25-1-2121, and right here classwork. And today, from today nursery, today's spelling is big, so we are writing one spelling in a page. Write down 1 1 11 in one box, nursery class. In the next box, you remember we put a equal to sign, nursery class. Write down capital E, ELEVEN, 11. Again, ELEVEN, 11. ELEVEN, 11. ELEVEN, 11. So nursery class, you will leave one block and write down the spelling one more time. ELEVEN, 11. And in this way you will fill the whole page, nursery class. Leave one block and write down one more time. ELEVEN, 11. Again, ELEVEN, 11. Okay, nursery class, quickly fill the full page and come to me. We both meet together. Okay, nursery, do it. So nursery class, see, your teacher have done the full page of 11 and you also have to do in the same way, nursery class. So nursery class, again we have to draw the 11 apples in this page, nursery class, and draw neat and in a neat and clean way. 5. If you are get tired of drawing apple, you can select any other object, nursery class. In next class, I will come with a new fruit. I promise, nursery, okay? 3, I think 3 will look more beautiful because we have less space. Nursery class, is it the neat way to draw apples under the apples? Don't draw one apple here, one apple here, here, okay? Try to be draw in a sequence, or always try to do every work in a sequence. It will look tidy and neat. Okay, nursery? 3 more, nursery class. You can draw balls. Balls are very simple to draw. You can draw stars. Stars are also very nice, nursery class, and easy. 3. Count how many apples we have drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many apples are left, nursery class? 2 apples. So nursery class, draw 2 apples. Okay, nursery, 1 here and 1 here, nursery. So nursery class, how many apples we have drawn? We have drawn the 11 apples. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have drawn the 11 apples, nursery class. Now what you have to do, you have to color in these apples very neatly. Now it's our classwork. You always know that we do 1 page in the classwork and 2 pages in the homework. You have to do the same page in the homework, nursery class. Write down here date, nursery, and write down here homework. Okay, nursery class. Write down here the spellings of 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11, nursery class. Okay. Draw in a full line, and now you have to write one line in one page because it's a big spelling, nursery class. Draw neatly 11 apples here, nursery class, and in the homework you have to write the spellings of 0 to 10. Okay, nursery class. You want to repeat the spelling of 0 to 10 with your teacher? You can. I'm always here with you. Okay, nursery class. You only have to watch my video carefully. 0. What is the spelling of 0, nursery class? Z-E-R-O, 0. Are you watching, nursery class? Z-E-R-O, 0. Then 1. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. Then come to number 2, nursery class. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O, 2. Now come to the third spelling, nursery class. What is the spelling of 3, nursery? T-H-R-E-E-3. T-H-R-E-E-3. Now 4. What is the spelling of 4, nursery class? F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now nursery class, move to the next spelling, which is number 5, nursery. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Now move to the next word, nursery class. 6. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X, 6. Again, S-I-X, 6. Now nursery class, move to the next number, 7. What is the spelling of 7, nursery? S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. So nursery class, you notice one thing, that the spelling of 7 and 11 are quite close with each other. Their last spelling, V-E-N. Can you see the spelling of 11 is ELEVEN and 7 is SEVEN. I think they are family members, maybe brother sister, maybe brother, maybe father mother. I will solve this query. Okay, nursery class. Now move to the next spelling, nursery class. Number 8. What is the spelling of 8, nursery class? EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. 9. What is the spelling of 9, nursery class? NINE 9. NINE 9. Then nursery class, write down 10. What is the spelling of 10, nursery class? TEN 10. TEN 10. Okay, nursery class, we have revised the spelling of 0 to 10. I only revised for you. Okay, nursery class, please focus on the studies. School are inshallah going to be open. Complete your work, book work and copy work, nursery class. Inshallah, when the school open, we will check your work properly. So keep lots of good care of yourself. Keep warm yourself, nursery class, and stay in home. Stay safe, nursery class. Please do respect your mama and papa. और मामा और पापा को तंग नहीं ज़्यादा करना. ओके नर्सरी क्लास, आई लव यू नर्सरी क्लास. गुड बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज़.